Imagine a world where young people, armed with essential digital skills, can unlock their full potential and contribute to a thriving economy. That's precisely what's happening in the Democratic Republic of Congo, thanks to a groundbreaking initiative. But is it enough? And how can we ensure these skills translate into real-world opportunities? Vodacom Congo, RDC, SA, a major player in the Congolese telecommunications landscape, has joined forces with the Kinshasa Digital Academy and received vital support from GIZ, a German development agency, and the Ministry of Vocational Training to empower the nation's youth. Their collaborative program, the Empowering Digital Talent Initiative, has already made a significant impact by providing intensive training and internationally recognized TOSA certification in Microsoft Excel to 1,147 young individuals in Lubumbashi. This isn't just about learning how to use spreadsheets, it's about equipping these young people with a fundamental tool for success in today's data-driven world. Think about it, from managing budgets to analyzing sales figures, Excel skills are in demand across countless industries. The TOSA certification, a globally recognized benchmark for digital skills, further validates their expertise, making them highly competitive in the job market. The program goes beyond basic instruction. It delves into the intricacies of Excel, providing participants with the knowledge and practical experience they need to confidently tackle real-world challenges. The curriculum is designed to be engaging and relevant, ensuring that participants not only learn the necessary skills but also develop a genuine passion for digital technology. But here's where it gets controversial. While Excel proficiency is undoubtedly valuable, some argue that focusing solely on one software program is too narrow. Should the program expand to include other in-demand digital skills, such as coding, web development, or data analytics, to provide a more comprehensive skill set? On October 31, 2025, the latest group of trainees proudly received their certifications, surpassing the program's ambitious initial goal of certifying 1,000 individuals in Lubumbashi. This success serves as a testament to the program's effectiveness and the dedication of all involved. Vodacom Congo isn't stopping there. Looking ahead to 2027, they've set an even more ambitious target, to train 20,000 young people across the Democratic Republic of Congo. This expansion will play a crucial role in strengthening the nation's human capital and fostering a culture of digital competence. By equipping young people with the skills they need to succeed, Vodacom Congo is investing in the future of the country. And this is the part most people miss. The long-term impact of this initiative extends far beyond individual career prospects. By fostering digital literacy, the program is helping to create a more inclusive and equitable society, where everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. This program showcases the power of collaboration between the private sector, government, and non-profit organizations to address critical skills gaps and empower the next generation. It's a model that could be replicated in other developing countries around the world. What are your thoughts on this program? Do you believe that focusing on specific software certifications is the best approach to digital skills training, or should there be a broader focus? How can we ensure that these skills translate into meaningful employment opportunities for young people in the DRC? Share your opinions and insights in the comments below.